Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add subtitles on Stremio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I've done, I've just opened up a movie inside of Stremio. So from here, once you've opened up the movie, we need to pay attention to the bottom of the page here. So we've got the play button and the sound, but to the far bottom right, we've got different options here. We're going to hover over where it says this little this button here, so we've got playback speed, and now next to that we've got the subtitle. So now this is where we can go ahead and enable it, and then from here we've got add-ons. Below that we can choose what language you want to change it to. So if you want to change it to Dutch, we can change Dutch. Now if I go ahead and play the movie, I don't want to play it for too long, I don't want to get copyright striked, so I'm just going to go ahead and find a spot where he actually talks. There you go, so you can see it's subtitles is in Dutch.